So in this session I will just show you how you can use the Python editor and what editors you can use for the Python. So first you can use CMD also. So when you open the CMD, just you have to type here Python. Once you will type Python and enter, then you will get a prompt from where you will use the Python commands and everything. Suppose I am showing you, I am typing hello Python. So see this will print the hello Python. So this is one of the editor, or you can say terminal, from where you can use the Python. And if you want to exit from this, you can exit. And then we have a Python IDE also, that is official IDE for Python. So when you will type this Python, you will get this prompt. This is similar to the CMD prompt. And then the third is IDE. Using this you can write a program and you can save that program, and after that you can compile anywhere or anytime. So what you have to do is you have to just go to the file and then click new and save this file anywhere. I will give first .py, or you can, if you exclude the extension, it will automatically take either py or pyw, and here you will write that hello Python print. And once you will save, you can open later on and you can compile that also. So this is another official library which you can use. If you want, you can run from here, or once you click the F5, then it will automatically compile. So other than this, you can also use other IDE for Python developments. Either you can use Visual Studio Code, and inside that you have to just install your Python supported library, then it will start working. So these are some of the editors for the Python.